Hi guys, in this particular video, I'm going to talk about a very special class on TS LawSet 2020 question paper solving. This video is presented by me. My name is Trinath Reddy. This is about me. I'm the co-founder at Noobs Law School and I'm also an educator for various law entrance exams at Unacademy. And I cracked the TS Law Common Entrance Test 2020 with a rank of 21 and currently pursuing my BLLB honors from University College of Law. And so this is about a special class on TS LawSet 2020 question paper solving. This is completely a free class. Anyone and everyone can access this. And in this particular class, we'll be discussing all the questions from the legal aptitude section of TS LawSet 2020 5-year question paper. And this particular special class will be taken by me. My name is Trinath Reddy. And this class will be held on 12th of July 2021, that is on Monday from 12:30 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. And the link to this particular class is dropped down in the first comment and it is pinned over there. Just go to that particular link. It will redirect you to this page. So here click on notify me so that you get a notification when I start the class. So if you are a new user, if you are downloading the Unacademy app for the first time, you can click on the link and use my code Trinath10 so that you can unlock this class absolutely for free. If you have any queries, you can contact us on this number 7981061774. We will guide you with this. These are the features of Unacademy CLAT. You can access live and recorded classes anytime and anywhere. You have the opportunity to learn from best educators and NLU alumni, access to national level mock test and sectional test, unlimited quizzes. You can also launch a quiz. We have very important weekly events like Know Your Exam, Top Strategies and NLU experiences by faculty members. Law for All 1.0 is a one-year comprehensive batch for CLAT 2022. Batch is starting on 14th of July 2021 in both Hindi and English. 350 plus live and recorded classes, 50 plus additional mock test, weekly sectional test, and monthly GK and current affairs compendiums. And these are our educators for Law for All. Ascent 2.0 is the beginners batch for CLAT 2023. Batch is starting on 16th of July 2021 in both Hindi and English. 350 plus live and recorded sessions, 50 plus additional mock test, weekly sectional test, monthly GK and current affairs compendiums, and these are our educators. On popular demand, we have extended our subscription offers. Subscription offers for CLAT are valid till 31st of July 2021. If you purchase 12 month, you will get 2 months free, and if you purchase 24 month, you will get 3 month subscription for free. And if you want to take any of Unacademy CLAT subscriptions or any other course on Unacademy, be it UPSC or any other exam, you can use my code Trinath10 THRINATH10 for additional 10% discount. And Champion Mock Test for CLAT 2021 is a very important test. It is India's largest scholarship test. First ranker will get 75% scholarship and second to fifth ranker will get 50% scholarship on 6 months and greater subscriptions on Unacademy CLAT. This particular mock test will be held every Sunday from 10 a.m. And weekly T20 test is a quick 20-minute revision test for your everyday practice. 20 minutes, 20 questions, 20 marks. On Monday we have English, Tuesday Quant, Wednesday Logic, Thursday Legal Aptitude, and on Friday Current Affairs and GK. Unacademy Law Aptitude Test. If you are aiming to crack CLAT, then practice with Unacademy Law Aptitude Test. 60 minutes, 60 questions, 60 marks every Friday from 4 to 5 p.m. And subscribe to the YouTube channel of Unacademy CLAT. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. Comment on our videos and do let us know what you feel. Do show us some love by liking and sharing our videos. So that's all for now. See you all again on 12th of July at 12:30 p.m. to discuss the legal aptitude questions on the Unacademy app. Bye bye.